Hi everybody, hope everybody's doing good today. I just received my Flexihand and I ordered it November 28th and it took about 10 days to get here all the way from Australia. So I think that was pretty quick. I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Now the price for this was 113 Australian dollars, and since I am in the US, it converted it to about $80. And for the hand, the price for the hand was around $60 and the price for the shipping was around $17. Now the hand does come with a little handout which tells you how to use the hand and also how to take care of it. So what comes with the Flexihand is the stand, the 5 fingers, which includes the thumb also, of course, and it comes with a little extra packet of the tips. I do like that the fingers are very, very flexible. So it is kind of like you're just doing this on a regular person. They move to where you want them to move. Also, all you have to do is just wet the back of the suction part for it to be mounted onto your table. It moves just about anywhere you want it to move. You can raise it up, put it down. It does have 2 little different maneuvers to where you can loosen up or tighten. I also like that you can remove fingers from here if you just want to work on one finger and cure it. You can do that instead of the whole hand. And I also like that it has on the back of it, there is a flatter side. That way when you go to put it down or to cure it in your lamp, it won't roll over. And this is something new that they have added with the new and improved ones. Now with this hand, you'll be able to use regular nail tips. You don't have to buy, like with the regular nail trainer hands that you have to buy tips. You can just use regular nail tips. All they do is slide in to the finger weld that is on the finger, as you can see right here in the video. I did a little close-up so you can check that out. Now there are 2 styles in this Flexihand that they have, is the long one and the short one. I chose the long one, which means the springs on, as you can see, the springs that are on the fingers are longer. That way you'll have more movement. On the other one, the short one, the fingers touch all the way to the base and you have a little bit less mobility with it. One of the selling points that I loved about this was that you can attach it anywhere on your nail table. I don't know about you guys, but my nail table, there's no ledge around the nail table to where I can clamp a lamp or another different type of trainer hand or even my tripod for my camera or for my phone. So that kind of limits me on trainer hands, or the regular trainer hands anyways. So I really like that this one you can just basically put it anywhere on your nail table and it would just stay there. Now I found out about this Flexihand through Natalie Mudridge. She is on YouTube. Now I found out about this little hand through a YouTuber. Her name is Natalie Mudridge. I hope I'm saying her last name right. And I just wanted to say thank you to her. She did a video on this too and she uses this hand all the time. I will link her information down below. She also has an Instagram, and I believe she has other pages as well, but I just know her Instagram, her YouTube. So thanks again, Natalie, and I can't wait to start doing designs on this hand. Thank you, guys.